Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Saturday when I plan to upload this. I got a footwear to review to show you. They reached out to me through email. Sudden pain. Wow. I like how you do nothing, it hurts. They sent me an email for a review. Just check out these boots. So I've been wearing them all week. In fact, the day before, I got them in the mail, then I wore them. I think they came Tuesday night, and I had them on Wednesday morning. Because I worked 3 morning shifts a week, so I wore them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I took them to work Saturday, and I wore them for 12 hours. You know, and I have to walk outside, and so I'm walking around on asphalt. And then on the inside of the building, because I work in a warehouse, I do security in a warehouse, so I'm walking around on concrete all day. So, you know, I sit majority of the time, but I have to get up and move around. I have to go answer alarms and go help people and open doors and blah, 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 blah. You know, work stuff. So, I'm going to turn the camera down. I'll just tilt it. Oh, here they are. These are from FitVille. And all the links will be in the description. They had actually a really large footwear selection. I was actually pretty impressed. It took me a while to find these. I was actually specifically looking for a work boot, something I could wear on the job. And these are a composite toe, you know, so you don't have to worry about things falling and crushing your toes, which actually my workplace requires it. So I had to get them, but I also wanted to try them out. And they didn't rip up my feet either, which is nice because I've had steel toe boots before, and they just tore the tops of my feet up. Very painful. These are a 13. I got these extra wide, so these are like a 4W, and they're priced at $79, which is not a bad price considering how comfortable they. You know, they were actually really comfortable. They weren't. I mean, out of the box, it's like I felt like I was almost wearing slippers. They were really comfortable. My feet never felt like they were overly hot, even though I wear wool socks regardless of the season. I'll wear them in the summer too. Pretty comfortable step. Now the sole isn't super aggressive like on say hiking boots, but you know, I'm only walking around on concrete. When I'm off work, I wear, you know, I actually wear my solo boots as a regular day-to-day shoe. So here's the other boot. I think it'd be a close-up of the. I actually like them a little taller too, but you know, they weren't too bad. Because I like the support on the sides, but that's just me. I know people like to wear runners when they're out hiking. You know, standard laces, they came already laced, so I just took them out of the box, pulled out the paper that was inside, just slipped them on. I had to kind of struggle. I got really big ankles, so I have to use a shoehorn to get my feet in there. But they're not a bad boot at all. And I like the fact that they're composite toe, which is a requirement, like I said, for my job. So, pretty nice, comfortable boot. They offered footwear in men's and women. And if you use my discount code and take 28% off, and I guess this will just be a quick video because, yeah, there's really not much to say. Comfortable. I'll have to keep wearing them. I want to see how long the soles last. And I'll say this too, you know, I'll bring it back up. When it comes to your feet, I recommend spending money. It's something that, you know, I can tell you from personal experience, because when I started working security, I used to wear Payless boots, and I could literally wear through the hole. I'd have a hole right through the bottom of it, 30 days. And I don't know if they're still around because I haven't seen them lately, but they might be out of business. I'd have to check, but yeah, I could literally put my finger straight through the sole in 30 days. And you know, when I'm walking around on concrete, walking around on wet ground outside, it would soak up into my socks. And at that time I wore only cotton socks, so I'd have wet feet for 12 hours. I'd get home and, you know, take off my shoes and peel off my soaking wet socks, and my feet would hurt. I mean, I'd dry them off, go to bed. I'd be laying in bed and I could just feel my feet just throbbing, like. And then I wised up and I went and bought a pair of Red Wings. I spent over $100, night and day difference. So yeah, spend money on your feet. Anything that separates you from the ground, spend the money. Footwear, you know, treat yourself to a decent bed. You know, clothing that touches your skin. Like I wear wool socks, like I said. I have darn tough socks. That's all I wear. I don't wear anything else besides those, because if anything happens to them, I can just send them in for a refund. I actually have a pair I need to send in. I just keep forgetting. But yeah, spending money on your feet. And you know, $79 for these boots is not bad. I mean, I kind of prefer to spend a little bit more on them, but you know, I can see myself wearing these. So anyway, all the links will be down in the description for you. The website, I'll try to get these boots down in there too, so if you want to go check out these specifically. Like I said, I work a job walking around in concrete all day, so I need to have good footwear, and these so far have been fitting the bill nicely. And I have my other boots still there, they're still good shape, so I can actually do a little rotation and, you know, wear one day, wear these the next day. You know, make sure that they're all dried out inside. This actually doesn't have any, does this have a, I didn't even check to see if it had a removable soles or not. No, they are. So you could, you know, upgrade your soles if you wish. So these are just, you know, flat. So you could get some super feet, or, you know, if you want to go around gelling. Or what are the other ones? Dr. Scholl's, I think. I actually have only worn super feet, so I'm not sure of the other brands, but I'm sure you have your pick if you actually go with them, so you can actually put in your own soles. I can't believe I didn't even think about that till like just now. But well, can I even get back in there? Okay, I can. So yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I don't have any other videos coming up, and I'm actually gonna be working all this weekend. Major drag. I had plans and everything, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one, and yeah, have a good one.